My name is Sheila Jaeckel. I work at Ballweg Implement. I've been here about 8 years, and I am in the precision ag department. So in the precision ag department, what I do is work with a lot of the technology. So we're working with pretty much any kind of machine, older machines to brand new machines, technology based from basic auto track to all the advanced autonomous technology. We cover a wide variety of different things, which makes our job changing all the time. What's new right now is just all the new technology coming out, AutoPath, automation stuff. It's changing all the time, so there's new stuff all the time. So right now in the winter time, it's a little bit slower, but we're getting our customers ready for spring. So we're getting their data all cleaned up, everything in Operations Center, just going through, setting up all your information. So then when spring does come, everything is already in the tractors or in their displays. So it's quicker setup for them and just less time consuming in the field.